Hey there, website wizards! Ever wonder what your site visitors are really up to? Well, wonder no more, because visitor tracking is here to enlighten you. Click the link in the description below to snag your lifetime deal discount and start unlocking your website's hidden secrets today. Now imagine this. You're the shop owner who finally gets to see what your customers are checking out in real time. Visitor tracking is like a personal detective, providing detailed insights on visitor behavior. Think of it as your simpler, friendlier alternative to Google Analytics or Hotjar. Here's the scoop. It tracks sessions, page views, and even connects multiple visits from the same user into one epic customer journey. It's like your website's autobiography without the boring bits. You'll see everything from their original acquisition source to conversions. And the best part? You don't need a degree in rocket science to set it up. Just paste a script and voila! You're in business in less than 30 seconds. Plus, it syncs seamlessly with WordPress, Shopify, and more. But wait, there's more. The Visitor Stream feature gives you a live feed of every visitor session. Picture it as your very own reality show, starring your website visitors. Track where they're from, how long they hang around, and what pages they love. For those of you who love a good deal, hold on to your hats. For a one-time payment, you get lifetime access to the Essential plan, covering unlimited websites. With plans starting at just $69 for 10,000 page views a month, it's a steal. And if you're not satisfied, there's a 60-day money-back guarantee. And for the agency folks out there, guess what? You can grant your clients exclusive access to their specific site analytics. It's like handing them the keys to the kingdom. So if you're itching to dive into the depths of your website's analytics, visitor tracking is your ultimate sidekick. It's easy, it's effective, and it's just plain fun to use. All right, that's all from me. Don't forget to click the link in the description below to score your lifetime deal discount. Happy tracking, my fellow web enthusiasts. Catch you on the flip side.